Homeowners in Warren are always looking for ways to enhance both the appearance and functionality of their homes. One upgrade that continues to grow in popularity is the installation of bow windows. Known for their elegant curved design and ability to transform both interior and exterior spaces, bow windows offer a stylish and practical solution for those wanting to elevate their home's overall appeal. One of the most striking features of bow windows is their distinctive architectural design. Unlike traditional flat windows, bow windows consist of multiple panels that extend outward in a gentle curve. This creates a unique visual effect that adds depth and dimension to a home's exterior. In Warren neighborhoods, where homes range from classic to modern styles, bow windows can complement a variety of architectural designs while making the property stand out. In addition to enhancing curb appeal, bow windows significantly improve the interior atmosphere. Their design allows for more natural light to enter the home from multiple angles throughout the day. This increased light can make rooms feel brighter, larger, and more inviting. In Warren's seasonal climate, where daylight hours vary, maximizing natural light can make a noticeable difference in creating a comfortable living space year-round. Another advantage of bow windows is their ability to create additional interior space. Because they extend outward from the home, they form a small alcove that can be used in a variety of ways. Homeowners often use this space for seating, decorative displays, or even a cozy reading nook. This added functionality not only improves the usability of the room but also adds a unique design element that enhances the overall layout. Bow windows also offer impressive versatility when it comes to customization. Homeowners can choose from different frame materials, finishes, and glass options to match their personal style and home design. Whether aiming for a traditional look or a more contemporary feel, bow windows can be tailored to meet specific aesthetic preferences while maintaining a cohesive appearance with the rest of the home. Energy efficiency is another benefit that makes bow windows a smart upgrade. Modern designs incorporate multi-pane glass and insulated frames that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Warren's climate, this means keeping warm air inside during the winter and reducing heat gain in the summer. These features contribute to a more comfortable indoor environment while helping to lower energy costs. Ventilation is also an option with bow windows. While the center panels are often fixed, the side windows can be designed to open, allowing fresh air to circulate throughout the room. This combination of natural light and airflow enhances indoor comfort and improves air quality, especially during mild weather conditions. Durability is an important factor for any home improvement, and bow windows are built to last. High-quality materials such as vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, cracking, and weather-related damage. This ensures that the windows maintain their appearance and performance over time, even with exposure to changing weather conditions in Warren. Proper installation plays a key role in maximizing the benefits of bow windows. Because of their size and outward projection, they require precise alignment and secure support. Professional installation ensures that the windows are properly sealed and structurally sound, preventing issues such as air leaks or moisture intrusion. A well-installed bow window not only looks great but also performs efficiently for years. Maintenance is relatively simple, which adds to the appeal of bow windows. Regular cleaning of the glass and occasional inspection of seals and hardware are usually enough to keep them in excellent condition. This allows homeowners to enjoy their investment without the need for extensive upkeep. In conclusion, bow windows are a stylish and functional upgrade for Warren properties. Their elegant design enhances curb appeal, while their ability to bring in natural light and create additional space improves the overall living experience. With customizable options, energy-efficient features, and long-term durability, bow windows offer both immediate and lasting benefits. For homeowners looking to make a meaningful improvement to their property, bow windows provide a perfect combination of beauty, comfort, and value.